Good Tuesday morning, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back to Southwest Arkansas weather. And let's take a look at today's weather. We're going to take a look actually at the forecast package for today, breaking down the temperatures, the rain chances, and such, and the severe weather outlook for today. We do have the chance of a few strong storms. We're going to take a look at the data behind that as well as the 6-day forecast. We also had a record daily high set yesterday down in Texarkana. They officially reached 98 degrees yesterday, and that makes breaking the record daily high for the May the 27th, which was set back in 1928 at 97 degrees, and it was a 96-year-old record that was broken. But once again, we had some warmer temperatures there yesterday, but let's take a look at current temperatures across the area right now. And as you can see, temperatures are in the 60s and 70s right now. 66 degrees up in Mena, 63 in Mount Ida, according to the last time these were updated. In the lower 70s down here across southern Arkansas. That trend's going to continue. And as you look at as you look at future radar, or not future radar, but current radar, you can see rain chances, maybe some strong storms and such, continue across the area. Taking a look at the northern end of the coverage area. Some light rain chances, not a whole lot, but we'll talk about that here in just a minute. I really think the higher rain chances today are going to be in this area here, really throughout the day. We do have, if you know anybody down in northeast Texas and such, they have some strong storms moving through, strong to severe storms moving through there. That's where the severe weather risk looks a lot better at for today and a lot bigger across the area here. But let's take a look at today's forecasted highs. Today's forecasted highs are going to be in the lower 80s, lower to upper 80s, into the lower 90s. A few 90-degree highs down there across far southern Arkansas look like they could be a possibility. Right now we're seeing cloudy skies currently. Cloudy skies throughout the day today looks likely. Few peaks of sun here and there will be possible as well there once again. But really, you can see a lot of cloudy skies throughout the day today. So, not expecting sunny skies and clear skies like we seen yesterday, but a few breaks in the cloud cover to partly sunny skies looks likely there as well. But highs down there around 90 degrees or so down there across far southern Arkansas, and then the upper 80s. And as you go further north, you kind of get a little into the lower 80s. And I would even suggest as you go a little further to where those rain chances are higher at, you may have temperatures that struggle to get out of the upper 80 or the upper 80s, or may struggle to get out of the lower 80s and such there as well. Then taking a look at today's forecasted lows, overnight lows are going to be in the 60s today, from the mid 60s to lower 60s there as well. So as you can see, temperatures going to be on the going to cool down some, but they're going to be right around the 60s there, kind of what we're seeing this morning today as well. But that'll be a look at tonight's forecasted low. So temperatures are going to be in the 60s tonight. Cloudy skies. We start to dry out some as we progress. Here's a look at rain chances. Not a complete washout, but it's going to be rainy most of the day across southern Arkansas or southwestern Arkansas down there in the southwestern Arkansas corner, where rain chances are around 50% down there in Ashdown, Texarkana, and such. But by the time we head into this afternoon, late afternoon, about 3 to 4 p.m., I think those rain chances start to come to an end. We'll show you that here in just a minute. But 40% chance of rain from DeQueen, Nashville to Hope and Magnolia. Then as you go further north, those rain chances kind of go a little lower to Mena, Glenwood, Camden, El Dorado being around 30% there as well. Then as you go a little further to the north, you also do see rain chances kind of get a little lower to around 20%. The further east and north you go, 20% there for Mount Ida, Hot Springs, Arkadelphia, Sheridan, and Fordyce. You still could see some rain chances, but not near as widespread, or not really as long as these other areas that have been consistently in the rain and such there as well. We could have some thunderstorms, as you can hear some thunder above us there as well. We do have a marginal risk, which is a 1 out of 5 or a very low end severe weather threat across our area for today. No tornado threat with this, mainly just a strong wind and large hail potential. A lot of lightning probably occurring with this as well and such. That goes from Mena down to Arkadelphia, down through the El Dorado, Camden, and Hampton areas, and everywhere to the west and south there. The risk, once again, looks a lot higher to your south and to your south and east. or south and west, that is, not south and east. But once again, we'll monitor for any strong wind gusts and large hail potential as we progress throughout the day. But I really think that was more the first round this morning. Now, we'll keep an eye on it. We'll keep you updated on that and such there as well for any of the newest information that we have there as well. Now, let's show you what future radar is showing. Now, once again, you got to heed caution with this. This isn't exactly what future radar is going to look like, but it gives us a general idea on what could potentially occur as we progress into the rest of today. This is around 10 p.m. As you can see, some rain chances around southwest Arkansas and such there as well. Then as we put this in motion, pretty much shows you the same general thing. More rain chances in that area. Then as we head into this afternoon and evening, we start to clear out some briefly. But then more rain chances look to be on the way potentially tomorrow as well. So we will have to watch for those and some thunderstorms and such there as well. I do want to mention we'll have to watch for maybe some damaging wind potential with these because we'll have some what we call MCSs move out of other areas, and as those occur potentially, we may have some strong wind gust potential with those or damaging wind threat with those. But we'll keep you updated. Right now, we only have a marginal risk for today. Chance of some rain does continue though as we progress into the rest of this time frame here. And as we pull that up, taking a look at the 6-to-8 forecast, you can see this actually for some reason didn't update here. So give me 1 second and let me update that. I'm not for sure why that didn't update there, but give me 1 second here and let me find that there as well. But once again, really expecting those rain chances to continue throughout this week. We have some rain chances that look likely as we progress throughout the rest of this week, really across the area and such there as well. But once again, continue to expect those rain chances. They're going to be off and on throughout the day. Not everybody's going to consistently see rain, but once again, you're going to have to watch for a few of those chances there as well. But once again, really think the biggest day is going to be on Friday there for your rain chances. Apologize for that not showing up for some reason. Don't know why that happened, but let's add that to here now. Once again, going to have to watch for those rain chances later this week and such there as well. And here is a look at the 6-day forecast. Nope, it didn't update it again. But once again, expect rain chances to continue throughout this week. I apologize for that not working for some reason. Once again, really, you're going to see off and on rain chances throughout this week. We're going to, it's not going to rain every day in every location, but you're going to have off and on rain chances. Partly sunny to partly cloudy skies with those rain chances throughout the week. Right around 40 to 50%. Highs are going to be in the 70s to the 80s across the area. Overnight lows will be in the 60s, but rain chances look highest on Friday, but still need to watch for those chances of rain throughout the week. Big thanks, as always, to Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply, Terry's Place, Fort Smith Therapy, and Southwest Ag Services and Tan Energy there as well for all they do to help us get these morning outlooks out to you and such there as well. Have a good rest of your Tuesday here, and as always, be on the lookout for the 6-day forecast and more posts on Facebook. We have a lot of stuff coming soon for the Facebook page and such there as well. But as always, we'll be back here on YouTube with a morning outlook come Wednesday.